guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture, and today's video is all about washing and reusing. So goodbye pumpkins, and hello beautiful home for the holidays with that awesome shimmer crimson color. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is exactly how I wash our Aiden boards. I take our board eraser and a fine mist sprayer, and I just spray that down. Now this design has been on here for a little over a month, and it comes off nice and clean with no problems whatsoever. I then take a microfiber towel and I place it over it just to dry it off. You can then see that I place our There's No Place Like Home for the Holidays transfer directly on that, and that is a C-size transfer, and it fits our Aiden board absolutely beautifully. I then take that beautiful shimmer crimson that I was talking to you about, and one of the main reasons I wanted to show this video was for the washing technique, but also because look at that crimson. That shimmer is often really hard to catch on photos and videos. However, this video happened to catch it absolutely perfectly, so I did want to show you those colors. If you have not tried our shimmers yet, absolutely give them a try. And now it's time for the reveal. And it's a little hard to see, but here's a close-up for you. Again with that shimmer crimson. It's absolutely wonderful on our Aiden board. And now I wanted to show you just a couple of different ways that you can wash it. You can take your fine mist sprayer and a baby wipe or a Lysol wipe, and you can see that does wash it. However, if I do that same technique with our board eraser, you can see that it came off much better. The way that I really like to wash them is I really like to get my hands dirty, and excuse the mucky water, I was working on projects all day. But I take our board eraser and a bucket of water and I wash away. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great one.